Ngayong nagwakas na ang kampanya ng Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Basketball World Cup, samot-saring mga opinyon ang inilalabas ng kanilang mga tagahanga. Pero ano naman kaya ang pagsukat ng isang basketball analyst sa pinamalas na performance ng koponan? Nagbabalik si Rafael Bandayrel.
Hindi maikakailang dismayado ang karamihan ng Pinoy basketball fans sa kampanya ng Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Basketball World Cup, kung saan pawang sakit ng puso lamang ang kanilang natanggap sa panonood ng tatlong mga laro ng pambansang koponan sa group phase ng naturang torneo. Isa si basketball analyst Jay Mercado sa mga nanghihinayang sa oportunidad na nakawala mula sa mga basketballistang Pinoy.
It was very difficult for the coaching staff, regardless of who the members of the coaching staff are, to actually form a very competitive team pagdating sa ganyan. The one thing that really frustrates me though is that since alam naman natin that since 2019, alam na natin that we will be hosting the 2023 World Cup. Somehow, I still don't understand that in those 4 years, parang na-condense lahat ng preparation natin in a matter of 2 weeks lang, wherein we could have prepared more.
Samantala, kaliwat ka ng kritisismo naman ang natatanggap ni Gilas head coach Chot Reyes na siyang sinisisi ng mga fans sa sinapit ng pambansang koponan. Pagdating sa isyong ito, narito ang pananaw ni Mercado.
Given the conditions, however, medyo mahihirapan talaga maski sinong coach andyan. But of course, yung nga sinasabi natin you're given that situation wherein you can prepare the team. It's been 2 years since Coach Chot Reyes was announced was formally announced to be the head coach, replacing Coach Tab Baldwin as a national team coach. No, there were a lot of opportunities for us to be able to somehow improve ourselves. No, wala tayong masyadong nakitang improvement.
Sa kabila nito, ika ni Mercado, ay may mga positibo namang takeaways na mapupulot mula sa tatlong nagdaang laro ng Gilas.
We can say naman that it was a dismal failure because as I said nga, it's a 23-point margin that we lost in 3 games. So we showed that we can compete against the Dominican Republicans, the Dominicans rather, the Angolans and the Italians. No? Hindi tayo winipe out
Bukas muling tatapak sa hardcourt ang pambansang koponan sa kanilang classification game na idarao sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Rafael Bandayrel, PTV Sports.